Dear students, in this section is next examples of general error formula. In the previous section is different types of errors and absolute error, relative error, and also that this is based on the general error formula. Now next example to the general error formula is example number 2 is if u is equal to 5xy square by z cube and errors in x comma y comma z are 0.001, compute the relative error in x when x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. This problem is also known as above the problem. So now let us start with the solution. Given u is equal to 5xy square by z cube and errors in x comma y comma z is indicate delta x is equal to delta y is equal to delta z is equal to 0.01. Errors in x comma y comma z, errors in x comma y comma z. Now so given u and delta x, delta y, delta z values are solving. Now next general error formula is delta u. So before the problem is delta r. So now this problem is indicated to the u. Now delta u is equal to dou u by dou x into delta x plus dou u by dou y into delta y plus dou u by dou z into delta z. This is also a general error formula. Now dou u by dou x is equal to, so differentiation with respect to x in u is 5 y square by z cube is constant, x derivative is 1 and dou u by dou y is 5x by z cube is constant, y square derivative is 2y. 2y into 5x is nothing but 10xy by z cube and dou u by dou z is 5x y square is constant, 5x y square is constant, 1 by z cube derivative is z to the power of minus 3. So x to the power of n formula indicate n into x power n minus 1. So this is also a minus 3 into z to the power of minus 3 minus 1. So z into minus 3 into z to the power of minus 4. So this value is minus 3 by z to the power of 4. So these three partial differentiations with respect to x, y, z in substitute to the general error formula. Now 1 implies delta u is equal to dou u by dou x indicate 5y square by z cube into delta x mean 0.001 plus dou u by dou y indicates 10xy by z cube into 0.001 plus dou u by dou z minus 15xy square by z to the power of 4 into 0.001. So this substitutions is known as general error formula. First we consider to the absolute error. What is the absolute error is? General error formula is known as substitute to the both sides and applying on the modulus values is known as absolute error. So now maximum of absolute error is maximum of absolute error is modulus of delta u. So general error formula is applying the modulus on both sides. Now modulus of delta u is equal to modulus of 5y square by z cube into 0.001 plus modulus of 10xy divides z cube into 0.001 plus modulus of minus 15xy square by z to the power of 4 into 0.001. So next value is common to the entire term on 0.001. So common to the entire term is 0.001 is common. Now 5y square by z cube plus 10xy by z cube. Modulus values is always negative of modulus values is always positive. Now 15xy square by z to the power of 4. Substitute it x equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1 in the above equation. Modulus of delta u is equal to 0.001 into yzx, or substitute in equation 1. 5 into 1 square by 1 cube is nothing but 5 plus 10 into 1 divides 1 cube is nothing but 10 plus 15 into 1 square by 1 to the power of 4 is nothing but 15. So this entire value is known as 0.001 into 5 plus 10 15, 15 plus 15 30. So this value is known as 0.003. So once check the scientific calculator. 0.001 into 30. Sorry. 0.03 divides so this is called absolute error based on the general error formula. So now let us find the relative error. So relative error is equal to modulus of delta u by u. Since u is equal to 5xy square by z cube at x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. Now this value is u is equal to 5. Substituting this u values in relative error is delta u's value is nothing but 0.03 divides 5. So 0.006. So once check the scientific calculator. 0.03 divides 5. Now this value is 0.006. So this sum is also complete. In the general error formula of the two examples are also complete. Now different types of different types of formula in this relative error and percentage error. So let now next example is example 3 is if y is equal to 4x power 6 minus 5x, if y is equal to 4x power 6 minus 5x, find percentage error in y, at x equal to 1 if the error in x is 0.04. So one of let y is equal to 4x power 6 minus 5x power 4 given data, and we find to the percentage error. So percentage error find out. Next, first the absolute error, relative error. These two errors is based on the general error formula. So this only x values are considered, not y values or z values. So let us start with the solution is given y is equal to 4x to the power of 6 minus 5x, differentiation with respect to x. Now dy by dx is equal to 24x to the power of 5 minus 5. Since dy by dx is similar to the delta y by delta x, just only indicates. Now delta y by delta x is equal to 24x to the power of 5 minus 5. So delta y by delta x is the divides. Now delta x is the right hand side, this term is also a multiple. Delta y is equal to 24x to the power of 5 minus 5 into delta x. So this is equation 1. Next, the errors in x is 0.04 means delta x is equal to 0.04. Now errors in x is delta x is equal to 0.04. Substitute these values is delta y is equal to 24 into 1 minus 5 into 0.04. 24 minus 5 is nothing but 19. So since at equal to x is equal to 1, 24 minus 5, 19 into 0.04 is nothing but 0.76. This value is known as absolute error. Absolute error indication is modulus of maximum of absolute error. Now next, relative error. Relative error ER is equal to modulus of delta y by y. So modulus of delta y is always known. Next, since y is equal to, y is considered to the 4x to the power of 6 minus 5x at x equal to 1. In this value is y is equal to 4 minus 5 is nothing but minus 1. Substitute these two values in relative error. Substitute these two values in relative error. So relative error is ER or relative error. Relative error ER is equal to modulus of delta y by y is modulus of delta y indication is 0.76 divides minus 1. Modulus values is always positive 0.76. This is the relative error. Next one is percentage error. Percentage error is EP, that is EP is equal to 100 times of relative error is nothing but 100 into 0.76 is 76% is the relative error, 76% is the percentage error. So percentage error is the based on the relative error. Now once calculate them, 0.76 is nothing but 76%. So this sum is also complete. This is the different types of only x variable, find them. Also similarly only y, only z, or this is procedure is complete in this sum. So next this sum is also complete. Next sum is given that next sum is given that example 3, given that A is equal to 10 plus or minus 0.005, comma B is equal to 0.035 plus or minus 0.005 and C is equal to 153.235 plus or minus 100. Find the absolute error, relative error. Find absolute error and relative error in A plus 5B minus C. This sum is also at two cases are arise. When A is equal to 10 plus or minus, or B is equal to 0.035 plus or minus 1, C is equal to 153.235 plus or minus. So this sum is also two cases are arise. So now find the absolute error and the relative error in A plus 5B minus C. So case 1 or now start with the solution is given. A is equal to 10 plus or minus 0.05. B is equal to 0.035 plus or minus 0.0025, and C is equal to 153.235 plus or minus 100. So now let us start with the first case, case 1. Maximum of A is equal to 10 plus 0.005. 10 plus 0.005 is nothing but 10.005, and maximum of B is equal to 0.035 plus. Maximum indicates the plus and minimum values are indicated the minus values. 0.035 plus 0.0025. So this value consisting on the scientific calculator 0.035 plus 0.0025, 0.0375, and last value is maximum of C. Maximum of C is equal to 153.235 plus 100 is nothing but 253.235. So now true value of x is equal to, that is true value of x is A plus 5B minus C. So A value is 10.005 plus 5 into B value is nothing but 0.0375 minus C values are indicate 253.235. So we simplify to the true value, or in general capital X. Now we calculate to the scientific calculator 10.005 plus 5 into 0.0375 plus minus 253.235 is nothing but minus 243.0425. So this is the true value of this maximum case, and approximate value of x is A plus 5B minus C is. So approximate values is only before the terms are not involving. So A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 0.035 and C is equal to 153.235. So this values is 10 plus 5 into 0.035 minus 153.235. So this value is simplified. 10 plus 5 into 0.035 minus 153.235. So this value is consisting of minus 143.06. So these two values are based on the sum of the exam. So now approximate value is only A values are 10 and B values are 0.035 and C value is 153.235. So next we find out that absolute error EA is equal to modulus of x minus x dash is nothing but modulus of minus 243.0425 minus of 143.06 is simplified to the value is, to scientific the calculator, minus 243.0425 minus of minus is always positive 143.06. This value is nothing but minus of modulus of minus 99.9825. So modulus values is always positive. Now 99.9825. So this is called the absolute error. So next we find out relative error. ER is equal to the ratio of the absolute error and true value. Now modulus of EA by x is nothing but modulus of EA value is considered to the 99.9825 divides x is minus 243.0425. So this value is consisting to the solve Casio 99.9825 divides minus of 243.0425. So this value is known as minus of modulus 0.4113. So we round off them. ER value is equal to negative values is always positive in modulus 0.4113. So 7 is the greater than 5. Add by unit. So this is 0.4114. This is the maximum case of relative error. So this problem is first case are solved. In the next case are minimum case. So we start with the minimum value of x and y, z or ABC. So case 2. Now case 2 is minimum of A is equal to 10 minus 0.005. So this value calculate to the scientific calculator 10 minus 0.005. So this is 9.995 and minimum of B is equal to 0.035 minus 0.0025 is nothing but 0.035 minus 0.0025. So this is 0.0325. So last value is minimum of C is equal to 153.235 minus 100 is none of them 53.235. So this is the case 2 of minimum of A, B and C. So now next value is true value. true value of x is minimum case in a plus 5b minus c is equal to a value is nothing but 9.995 plus 5 into 0.0325 minus 53.235. So we solve this value 9.995 plus 5 into 0.0325 minus 53.235. So we simplify the value is nothing but minus 43.0775. So this is the one of the true value in minimum case. So approximate value is no change, minimum case or maximum case is approximate value is same. So is nothing but minus 143.06 is approximate value. So now we consider absolute error. Now we consider absolute error. Absolute error is EA is equal to modulus of x minus x dash is nothing but modulus of x is modulus of minus 43.0775 minus approximate value is always minus of 143.06. So we simplify the scientific calculator. Minus 43.0775 minus of minus plus 143.06 is nothing but 99.9825. So this is the absolute value or absolute error. So now next find out the relative error. So relative error is ER. So the ratio of the absolute error and true value is nothing but absolute error is 99.9825 and true value is minus 43.0775. So this value is simplified to the scientific calculator. Divide 99.9825 divides minus 43.0775. This value is 99.9825 divides 43.0775 is nothing but minus of 2.3209. So negative values is always positive. Relative error is ER is equal to 2.3209. This sum is also complete in the different types of relative error. So this sum is also complete. Dear students, in the 6th semester general paper of numerical analysis first unit is complete.